What's up, guys? Budget accommodation, cheap lodging. They stayed in budget accommodation during their trip. Short-let accommodation, temporary rental. We found short-let accommodation near the city center. Suitable accommodation, appropriate place to stay. The hotel offered suitable accommodation for families. Give an account of, describe. She gave an account of what happened at the scene. Deny an accusation. Reject a claim. He denied the accusation made against him. Face an accusation. Be accused. The politician faced accusations of corruption. Openly accuse, publicly blame. She openly accused him of lying. Wrongly accuse, falsely blame. He was wrongly accused of stealing the bike. Dull ache, constant pain. I had a dull ache in my back all day. Aches and pains, minor discomfort. After the hike, I had aches and pains everywhere. Achieve, succeed in. She worked hard to achieve her goals. Make an adjustment, change slightly. I made an adjustment to the chair for comfort. Fill someone with admiration. Deeply impress. Her bravery filled everyone with admiration. Admire the view, enjoy the scenery. We stopped to admire the view from the hilltop. Keen admirer, devoted fan. He's a keen admirer of classical music. Adopt an approach, use a method. The teacher adopted a new approach to teaching grammar. Adopt a position, take a stance. The company adopted a firm position on safety. Adoring fan, devoted follower. The singer waved at her adoring fans. Gain an advantage. Get a benefit. She gained an advantage by studying early. Take advantage of, make good use of. You should take advantage of this opportunity. Adverse effect, negative impact. The medicine had an adverse effect on his health. Contradictory advice. Conflicting guidance. I received contradictory advice from 2 doctors. A piece of advice, a suggestion. Let me give you a piece of advice. Take someone's advice. Follow a suggestion. He took his doctor's advice and rested. Strongly advise. Firmly recommend. I strongly advise you to study every day. Aerobics, fitness exercise. She goes to aerobics class twice a week. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to watch the video above, subscribe and hit the like button and share to help me make these kind of videos more.